What's up, everybody? This is a 2010 Nissan Altima. This light assembly up here, this is called Map Lights. I'm going to show you how to replace the bulbs and how to replace this whole assembly. I'll show you what's going on with this. So basically, it's up here and it's got these lights in it, but it kind of sags down, and people who own the car don't like that. And also, the lights kind of flicker in and out. Also, if you look back here, while I'm doing that again, just kind of moving that, this light flickers in and out. So when they're driving, it's just making these lights go, all over the place, or it just doesn't stay lit up. So I got a new one. This is a dealership one. There's the part number, and also I forgot to mention the old one has these aftermarket bulbs in it, but I'm gonna put regular bulbs. So basically, look at these tabs here. That's what you're gonna have to pull on to get this out. Just pull it straight down. So I grab up here and I pull straight down like that, and then pull it towards the windshield, and it should come out. Alright, so as you can see, it's held on by this. You got to get these off. Basically, there's these little tabs on here that you move and you pull out. They're kind of annoying and tedious. It took me a minute to get all these out, so just be patient with them. And then see my new one, you could put these back in it and just route the wires along the little path. So like it goes right here and then it comes through here. You'll see the path when you get a new one, if you get a new one. But basically, also I got OEM, just regular bulbs, regular amber bulbs. So put those in, just check them, make sure they work, and make sure my switch works good. So those are the bulbs I'm going to be putting in the new one. And also I forgot to mention, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the bulbs as well. Just replace the bulbs, not the whole assembly. Okay, so I put this in. Here's what it looks like when it's all in, routed in. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this back up here. Make sure that there's not any broken pieces from the old one. Like right here, see this? There's a broken piece from the old one. Got to get all that out before you put your new one in. So I got it out like that. And just going to put this in. Make sure these line up good. And see how these tabs are on the back of this? Make sure the tabs go in first. So you want to dip this side in first and then put the other side in. Because if you try to do it the other way, you're going to break these tabs. So get these tabs in good and then push it in. So alright, we got that in. Alright, so that's how that goes. Test the lights, they're all good. Okay. And as you can see over here, it's kind of better. Doesn't do that as much. But over there are these aftermarket kind of cheap LED bulbs. So I'm gonna switch those out with some other ones. So I'm gonna come over. Let's see. Get yourself a little flathead like this. And then if you were just going to replace the bulbs, what you'd want to do is just pop this out. Just very gently. It has these little like prongs that hold on. Just very gently, just wiggle it a lot until it comes off. And then once it's off, these are the prongs I'm talking about. So once it's off, then you just grab your bulb out, and then you could put a new one in. You could use your fingers. Careful, it's going to be hot if you have the light bulb on. But there's a type of bulb. And this one was in before. But I'm going to go ahead and change another bulb. I'll show you like on the side there. So it's a 194 bulb. It's also referred to as a peanut bulb. Very common bulb in cars. So make sure that's in. 194 or 192, you'll have to double check that. But anyways, to get this back on, you just very gently push it on. Like that. And then it should just work. Should just, do that. Make sure everything's good. Okay, so if you're just wanting to do the side bulb right here, this is what you do. You just take a small flathead or a butter knife or something and just gently, barely just pull on the outside of it, and it'll pop right off. As you can see, this had this like aftermarket LED one. I'm going to put a regular one in there so it doesn't flicker on and off. Now, there are good LED bulbs. I'm actually going to be doing a review on probably like within my next few videos. There are good LED bulbs that are aftermarket, but these ones are just not working. Maybe they're old or cheap or something. And then you just get this back in like that. Okay, and that's about it, guys.